Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. This is most likely an exam question, even though it's made up. So we got a lake at an elevation of 51 meters. We want to find out the combined efficiency of the turbine and generator, the mechanical efficiency by the turbine itself, and the total power delivered by the turbine shaft to the generator. We have a mass flow rate of water at 5,001 kilograms per second. The electric power output is 1,863 kilowatts. The efficiency is 96% for the generator. Step 1. Draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got a lake at 51 meters high, and we're going to siphon the water from this lake into the turbine, which then will produce power to the generator. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. So once again, we've got 96% efficiency for the generator. The height is 51 meters. The electrical power output is 1,863 kilowatts. The mass flow rate of water is 5,001 kilograms per second. We want to find the overall efficiency, the efficiency of the turbine, and the power of the shaft output. So for part A, we want to find the formula for the overall efficiency. So what the efficiency is that it is the power of the electrical output divided by the power of the mechanical fluid, and that is the change. Okay, step 4. So we need to find the change in mechanical power fluid. So the formula is mass flow rate, so that's m dot, which is given to us, multiplied by the specific mechanical energy going in minus the specific mechanical energy going out. So step 5, we need to find the change in specific mechanical energy formula. So in this case, it will be the pressure divided by the density, which is the same as the gravity multiplied by the height. So step 6, we plug and play. So gravity multiplied by height. So 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by 51 meters multiplied by your conversion factor. We will get 0.5003 kilojoules per kilogram. Step 7. Now we can find the power of the mechanical fluid. So multiply your mass flow rate by the change in specific mechanical energy. So 5,001 kilograms per second multiplied by 0.5003 kilojoules per kilogram. So the units will cancel out and we'll get kilojoules per second. So 1 kilojoule per second is equal to 1 kilowatt. That will give us 2,502.05 kilowatts. So now we can backtrack and find the overall efficiency for part A. So we've got 1,863 kilowatts divided by 2502.05 kilowatts. The kilowatts cancel out, and then we get 0.744 or 74.4% for the overall efficiency. Step 9, we want to find the turbine generator formula. As you can see, then we rearrange to get just the efficiency of the turbine. So it is the overall divided by the generator for the efficiencies. So step 10, we want to find the efficiency for the turbine. So we're just going to divide the overall efficiency by the efficiency of the generator. The generator efficiency is given in the question, and the overall is what we just found in step 8 right over here. So that will give you 0.775 or 77.5% for the efficiency of the turbine. So for part C, we need to find the power of the shaft formula. So we need the efficiency of the turbine, which is step 10 right over here, multiplied by the power of the mechanical fluid, which we found earlier in step 7. So for part C, step 7 and step 10, so those are the values, and then we just multiply them together. So multiply the efficiency by the power of the mechanical fluid, and that is the change in power. So 0.775 multiplied by 2502.05 kilowatts, you will get 1940.62 kilowatts. So therefore the lake supplies 2502.5 kilowatts of mechanical energy to the turbine, which then converts to 1940.62 kilowatts to the shaft of work that drives the generator, which generates 1863 kilowatts of electric power. So as you can see, the numbers drop through each conversion process, which makes sense because there are losses when you convert energy. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. So click on the icon in your taskbar to open up the program. If it's not there, go into your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open it up. Click on the video option, click on New, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.